Hello guys, Mars Framens here. So I just wanted to make one more video before end of the year and just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for everybody who's been watching my channel in this 2024. Comparing to beginning of the year, our community has grown significantly, and even though we didn't hit 10K yet, I hope we're gonna do that by the beginning of the 2025. So again, thank you everybody that watched and engage in the comments. It's really like your feedback helps to kind of figure out what to make, what kind of content to make, and what would be interesting for me, what would be interesting for you guys. And now for the 2025, as I have mentioned multiple times, I'm working on personal game project. It's like really personal project that I just want to kind of like get back. That's probably going to be the beginning of 2025. So you're going to have more devlogs, so I can go over the changes that we did. And if there's going to be anything useful in that, then I'm going to make tutorials. So now since I have Rococo suits, I'm going to get into animation so I can record my own animations for my game project. And I have decided to share, weekly, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, build on my Discord so you can just play it out, have a fun, explore. So currently the game project is like really, it's going to be survival exploration game that is procedurally generated. So currently that's what I've been working for last few weeks to kind of like nail the core things. Currently it's like really, there's a ton of buggy things and it's really just plain project where you can just go endlessly and explore. But my whole thing was I wanted to make a core that is performant enough. So we have a procedural world. There shouldn't be a limit, so you can just go around. In the first build, there's going to be just the way how you can travel around. It's going to be just super fast swimming. In the next build, hopefully we can add some boat or something like that, so we can explore the face the world fast, and kind of like we can try to break things and see if really like maybe reaching certain amount into the space, like going super far, game breaks. Maybe there's going to be errors, but technically currently the way I have built it shouldn't. So everything's going to be saved. So this is the cool thing, for example, comparing to like games like, for example, Raft, where world is also procedurally generating, but you can't ever go back to the same island, so you can't build anything. So in my project, I'm planning to, you build something, you can go like hours and hours away, and you can go hours and hours back to the same location, and the thing's going to be there exactly in the same way. It's going to be exactly in the same place, and the things that you have, let's say, built or saved or stuff like that, going to be there. It's pretty performant. You can test it out. Currently, it's actually the most interesting thing is I would like to make this project available to as many of you as possibly I can. So I'm kind of like trying to jump between the graphic things and features to cut it down to most broad PC that you guys have. There's also simple water system currently. I'm gonna link down below one of the YouTubers who has made great content about Gersner waves. So based on his video and project files, I'm making my own water system right now. So we have water, we have underwater, we have buoyancy. So we have that. So we have a water system that's working, which is good, very performant. I also have put on some of the islands just AI characters that roam around. They don't do anything right now. It's just, again, I needed to figure out and test out how to make dynamic nav meshes in a procedurally spawning world. So we have the core things. So world is procedurally spawning without the limits, so you can test it out. If you can break and Unreal Engine can crash at some point, it shouldn't. So we have water system that kind of works, still need a ton of polishing. So we have AI placeholders, so I can start to slowly implement like some monsters and all that. And we have going to have special islands. So there is one special island. It spawns currently multiple times, but if you can find the special island, so there's going to be special islands in the project. So go around, explore. There's biomes. There's one biome currently. It's ice. It's just there because I'm experimenting how exactly I want to implement biomes, but it's there, it's working. So obviously in next builds, there's going to be more biomes and more things to explore. that's gonna be it. That's gonna be for beginning of 2025. And on top of that, it's gonna be motion captured things, and if there's gonna be other things, another thing that I want to do is, since we are focusing now on the game projects, if you're working on some cool game projects and stuff like that, if you want to share, I would love to showcase your work or create an app episode together where we can make like a podcast or something where we can talk about your game. If you have like, something that you have published, use something to work, all that in my Discord. I'm probably going to make a section eventually, so you can share that and we can talk about it. It's also for my game. There's going to be a special Discord section now where there's going to be a download link. There's going to be also the bug report section and suggestions and just overall comments. What do you think about the project and what's your experience? So again, it's just a personal project, not next Steam banger. It's just something I want to work, and I just wanted to work something. That's just something I want to work for fun, and decided I could just share with you guys and get some feedback and maybe, involve the community eventually in this project. Something like, Project Titan. Anyways, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and see you in the next one. Bye.